Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis for the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today we'll continue to talk about the currency of Euro Union, and we will continue from the daily time frame. Well, as you remember, our daily and intraday trading plan that we has performed on our forum on the weekly thread was based on the moment that market is currently not at oversold area, so I do not have the installer predictor currently, but this level stands even below the weekly pivot support 1. So and that's why we said that market should not show some very deep retracement. If it will show some retracement, then usually it will be till weekly pivot point, where if you are a scalp trader, you can try to enter on the short side of the market and move your stop to the break even when the market will pass about the 50 pips. So as you will see later on the 4-hour chart, that has happened, and now market shows some retracement from the weekly pivot point. The intraday situation we will discuss a bit later, but currently on the daily time frame, what we will see? First of all, just below the market stands the weekly confluence support, and I just want to note here that this confluence support is based on the minor retracements, on the minor reaction points than this confluence support. So here this daily chart, so I do not have the 3-8 support that based on the long-term weekly time frame, okay, but here also 3-8 support should be this area. This level is based on the major reaction, but this area, this confluence support, is based on the minor reactions. That's based from the shallow retracements on the weekly time frame and till that top, okay. But still, this is the confluence support that's around 139.89, 140.56, and market has touched it. Well, on the daily time frame, I do not see any bullish pattern except maybe this person in the cloud. Okay, so you can see that market on Monday has opened with the gap to the downside. Okay, this closed, open, and close the gap and touch the weekly pivot point, then retraced lower. Okay, so that's only the moment that I see on the daily time frame. Well, probably this is the confirmation of this area of support, and probably a deep retracement to the 618 resistance from the whole swing down will start right from this area. But I want to see some more clear signs. I want to get some more confidence before entering on the long side of the market with the anticipation of this possible deep retracement. Currently, I see only the first well of this possible starting of this move. So this is in general the bullish pattern, okay, and probably this is the confirmation of this area of support. Who knows? But I want to see some moments that should be accomplished before I think about the entering on the long side of the market. And let's shift to discussing of these moments on the 4-hour chart. If you see on the 4-hour chart, we said that market turns to some consolidations, then parallel channel to the downside. Okay, also you can see this is the bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. In general, this is the bullish sign because it has appeared right in the area of weekly confluence support. That's important. Well, look at this pattern. A, B, C top, market hits 618, retraced 100%, retraced 127 extension, retraced, and the last target stands right here, 1618 target, 139.47. Also, it stands right at the weekly pivot support 139.61. Well, personally, I would like to see that the market will touch this area first, hit the weekly confluence support, and then show some strong pullback to the upside before entering on the long side on the market, because this gives me the confidence that possibly market has turned to the deeper retracement based on the weekly time frame, because I feel not very comfortable when some important target stands just behind me, just behind the area. When I'm entering on the long side, I prefer to see that market will hit it. Only after that I look for some clear bull patterns on the intraday charts on daily time frame, and only after that I pull the trigger. Currently, second moment that market still stands below the weekly pivot point. As you know, the weekly pivot points is nice sentiment indicator that if market will stand below the pivot, it tells us that this is not the time to enter on the long side of the market. The old rule on the exchanges tells that never stand against the pivot. Okay, so that's why I prefer to enter on the long side of the market when the market confirms its sentiment by the moving above the pivot. Also, take a look at this pattern. This is parallel channel. Very often when the market accelerates to the upside and shown up a breakout, it does it with the Gartley 222 pattern. What this is the pattern? First of all, we need initial swing to the upside that should be greater than the previous swing down, okay, and ABCD retracement after this initial swing that we should take to enter on the long side of the market, preferably if it will be above the weekly pivot point. So market, for example, will hit this target, continue move to the upside, break this parallel channel to the upside, and then show some ABCD retracement. This will be perfect to entering on the long side of the market with the target 618 resistance from the whole swing down, from this high to the low, wherever it will be. Okay, that's my view on the current situation. Now let's take a look at another 4-hour chart with the resistances. Our trading plan suggests that that we have made for the Monday, that we can sell around this area, because this is for our conference resistance and weekly pivot point. So personally, I also have the short positions right here, but this is very scalp trade, very short-term trade, and I think that's will be not bad idea to move stops to break even currently, because this is a very unstable situation currently, because market stands near some target and market could accelerate to the upside in any moment. So do not risk much. So it's wiser to move stops currently to the break even. Okay. Also take a look at this plunge, ABCD retracement, plunge, ABCD retracement. Again, collapsed. This possibly could be ABCD retracement. And now you can see that this move is uncommon to this move and to this move. So this is gradual pullback from the weekly pivot and confluence resistance. It could tell that this is just a reaction after the first touch on this area of resistance, and market could accelerate, for example, for the ABCD, deeper move to the upside. And now there are two possible scenarios. We can see the two possible scenarios. This is hourly chart. First of all, this could be Gartley's butterfly sell, AB. You can see this left wing. This could be right wing, and the target of this butterfly is around 127 extension, just above this confluence resistance, another confluence resistance. But I prefer to see the butterfly to the downside. Look at this one. This could be left wing, okay, shallow retracement and acceleration to the downside. And the target of this butterfly 127 stands precisely at the weekly pivot support 1, at the same target from this ABC top. 100% expansion stands right here from this ABCD. Okay, and if you can see on the 4-hour chart, 1618 target stands precisely at the same area. So I prefer to see, for instance, Gartley's butterfly buy with the target around this area. This will be my signal to enter on the long side of the market, and possibly we can take it and with a very tight stop, it's about the 40 pips. This will be very excellent potential for the entering on the weekly bread and butter trade. So if you are flat currently, I suppose that you should stay flat before market will show some significant and clear patterns that you could take for the entering on the market. If you had followed our trading plan and entering short in this area, then I suggest you to move your stop to the break even and wait for further developments. If market will take it, so you will lose nothing. But if market will accelerate to the downside with this Gartley butterfly buy, you will take additional profit before reverse your position to the upside. So that is I suppose what could be done during the today trading session. So be careful, don't risk much, and wait from the market the clear patterns that it could show during the today or maybe tomorrow trading sessions.